Missing kilowatt meter. Too bad we couldn't measure the power with the kilowatt meter. How many do you have? One. I have 3. Usually can only find one of them.
Yeah, I should look in to get the second one. Unorganization and incompetence.
If you see it, let us know in the comments where it is.
I'll get it all worked out.
Kind of cold. It's gotta be here somewhere.
I can't wait till my house is no longer a construction site. I mean, technically, it shouldn't have been in the last freaking 8 months, but you know how that goes. Organization is not always my strong point, as you can see. Ow. You know, we don't want to get started back here.
Oh, there's the Hisense dehumidifier. Nothing but quality.
The best. As a testament of American. Hey, here it is. Ta-dum.
Perfect.
Ta-dum. Ta-dum. Ta-dum.
Meter was in this bucket.
Here. That's a freaking cat. You know. Oh, don't go in there.
He's looking for fans. He's not gonna have to go far.
This is a one. No, he's not. This is a one part of the house I don't want them in. Go on. Hey. Come on, Marley. There you go. Good kitty. He's still checking out his turf. So I wonder if there's a mouse down here. There. That's where that big freaking, that's where the pit is. That's another part of the reason I don't want him back there.
Oh, the sound bomb?
Yeah. Shit.
Right next to it. Is she going in?
I hope not. Marley, come. No, he's not. I don't think he's stupid. See why I find that concerning?
Yeah, I can see why it's concerning. Is there any mouse traps over there?
Yeah, there's one right there. He probably smells a mouse. Or at least the remnants of one. Okay, I have it in my pocket. Watt meters in my pocket. We can't miss it. Come on.
He probably wants those things on the microphones.
Probably looks like mine's been one of his toys. Come on. Get your gray little rear end back up there.
Another fan. No, not behind the door. The other, this side of the door.
Not smart. Not smart. Yeah, that's where he wants out that way. Come on. Oh, gotcha. Let me just shut this one here to have the heat off. There we go.
Oh, you don't have it set to 90?
No, unless you freaking got me again. The freaking basement heat crank. Freaking
Some
visible out here.
incandescent light bulbs.
Absolutely visible out here.
That it is. Raining and cold. A lot of voltage in here.
It's not bad.